Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford F-350 Lariat. This features a Power Stroke. I made that mistake last time and everybody got mad at me. This is the Power Stroke turbo diesel, not the Cummins. And honestly, I didn't think I was going to be able to review this car today. It's 11 degrees Fahrenheit. This has been sitting for about a couple weeks. And yeah, it really did not want to start. It took me about 20 minutes to start this thing. But you know what? It's here. It's running. And it's beautiful. Total price is $78,960. Agate black over black leather. Absolutely beautiful truck. Yeah, if you order one of these, get a block heater if it drops below freezing, because it'll save you a lot of trouble. Oh. Alright, starting to get some oil temp now. I drove this for almost 40 minutes just to make sure it was all up to temp. Because if you don't know, diesel engines do not have spark plugs. They're glow plugs. And it's combusted via compression, not via an actual spark. So if your block is extremely cold, like this one was, it's not going to want to run. What's nice though is this was the easiest diesel truck I've ever had to start on a day like this. They have block heaters and all that fun stuff. And if you're driving this on a day-to-day basis, there's going to be enough heat left in the block that you might need to crank it once or twice, but after that it'll be fine. It's just if it's sitting like this one was, then you'll run into some issues. What else is there? Drive modes: normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. Sand, we're going to be keeping it in normal. Got some auxiliary switches so you don't have to drill through the side pillar here to put in any switches. You just... It's also fun if you're a child like me. You can just go, it's like Elf. Boop. And if you want to shut them all off. LED lighting, of course. Sliding visor. Nice panoramic sunroof. All in all, it's a really, really nice truck for the price. Now, without further ado, I'm going to put it into gear. This is the 10-speed automatic, of course. Come on. Nice and smooth. There we go. Keeping it in two-wheel drive. Now that it's warmed up, it is awesome. Like I said, it took about 15 minutes to warm it up. So, it's not bad. You can use the remote start, of course. And if you keep it in a garage, if you have a garage big enough to hold it, you're not going to run into any issues at all. Please don't come barreling out at me. This thing is absolutely massive too. And this isn't even the Tremor, which is even bigger. I know you can get it on the 250, not sure you can get it on the 350 like this one. But the Tremor's out there. It's a heavy-duty Raptor. That's pretty much what I consider it to be. This turbo diesel puts out right about 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. That's a lot. A very lot. But if you want to go with a gas alternative, you can of course go for the new 7.3 Godzilla motor, which puts out like 400 pound-feet of torque and close to 500 horsepower. So it's plenty. But if you're going to be, towing a small rural community, you can go with the Power Stroke. Chances are I'm not going to get any traction, but we'll try. Nope. No traction. Oh, it hits you like a freight train, man. I mean, freight trains are powered by diesels 9 times out of 10, so it'll explain a lot. All right, let's see here. Move, bird. Over the bumps. This is a heavy-duty suspension setup, of course, but it actually rides really, really well over these bumps. I am honestly shocked. Haha, get it? Shocked. I'm also extremely happy I got to drive this, because it was not looking good. I just about gave up on it, but she pulled through. What is our oil temp at? 163 degrees. It's still cold. Man. That's why a lot of times you'll see on school buses, they'll have that mesh on the covering the radiator. Because this doesn't run off of explosions, well, it sort of does, runs off of compression, not spark, they don't really like cold weather, and they're at their best when they're up to temperature. Diesels typically run a lot colder than fuel engines. Well, not fuel, gasoline powered engines. See, even it's so cold, my brain is slow. All right, let's see here. It is just a wave, a tsunami of torque. I mean, think about it. This is putting down more torque than an Aventador. And torque is what you feel in the seat of your pants. That's why a lot of people complain that the S2000 felt slow, even though it had like 250 horsepower, it did not have a lot of torque. Torque is what you feel in your back. Torque is what puts you in the back of your seat. That's why I love torquey motors. And the 7.3 is a great option too. That is a very, very torquey motor. Let's see here. Hug wide. Turbo noises. All right. ahead and pull into the snowy parking spot. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.